Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. Anyway, so this makeup look is quite different. If you didn't know, purple or like lilac lavender was named the Pantone color of the year for this year, so it's everywhere. So many makeup brands are coming up with like purple lipsticks, purple eyeshadows, purple highlights, purple everything basically. Even like in fashion, that's the color of the year. So I decided to do a purple look for you guys. I know this is out of my known. When I was beginning, I didn't even know how it's gonna turn out, but I absolutely love it. So if you guys would like to see how I did this purple look, then keep on watching.
There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. Every the time. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. Every the time. The time. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. Every the time. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. Every the time. The time. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. Every the time. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. Don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. Don't know why. Every the time, the time. I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. Don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. There's no sun up in the sky. Don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. There's no sun up in the sky. Don't know why. There's no.
So that's it, guys. This is the final look. Really like the way it turned out. I was a bit skeptical when I started because if you know me, I don't wear that much color on my eyes, especially. I don't know, but I absolutely love the way this turned out. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you guys would like to see more of such like colorful looks, then give it a thumbs up and I'll definitely make more for you guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one.
I don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. Don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky. There's no sun up in the sky. Don't know why. There's no sun up in the sky.